Hi, I'm Julia Freeman with Oakland Realty, and I'd like to introduce you to Unit 112 at the Orizon building here in the ultra-accessible Lower Lonsdale location. You've got your own front door access off of ground level through your own huge, beautiful patio, so come on in and take a look. This apartment has a great layout. It's open plan, we've got a huge kitchen space with lots of storage, and the bedroom is also very large. You can even fit a king-size bed in there if you need. There are great quality finishes here. You've got laminate flooring throughout the apartment over hydronic in-floor radiant heating, as well as stone countertops and a deep soaker tub. There are great amenities in this Orizon building. There's a huge rooftop deck and patio with a beautiful view overlooking the city, as well as a fully equipped gym. Pets and rentals are allowed here, and the unit also includes storage and parking. Thank you for watching. Give me a call to book your private appointment today.